Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most soft, moist and delicious cornbread. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some flour, cornmeal, buttermilk, melted butter, baking powder, sugar, salt, plain yogurt, honey, and some eggs. So to get started, we'll start by combining all of the dry ingredients, starting with the salt, sugar, and baking powder. We'll mix well and set aside. Next, we'll combine all the wet ingredients. We will add the eggs, the butter, and the honey to the milk, and we will mix until well combined. Then we will add all the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and we will mix that in until it is well incorporated, but we don't want to overmix the batter. So once it looks like everything is combined, we will stop right there, and then we will add our plain yogurt. We will mix that in, and then we will get ready to transfer the mixture to our baking dish. And that's how simple and easy it is, guys, to make your own cornbread at home, and you don't have to worry about it being dry and, you know, not of the standard that you like. I like my cornbread on the sweeter side, so I've added a bit more sweetness to it. But if you like yours more on the savory side, you can omit the sugar, the honey, and all those stuff, or you can just add less amounts. And, you know, it is super delicious, guys. This is a very, very good recipe, and I know you guys will enjoy it. So I did went ahead and butter my baking dish so that nothing will stick. And now we'll go ahead and just transfer the mixture into the dish. Now I'll go ahead and level this off just to make sure that it's even on all sides, and then we will stick this in a 355-degree oven for about 45 minutes. And once you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean like so, that's how you know that your cornbread is done. If you do that and it's still wet, let it continue cooking. Don't worry about the time. Everybody oven cooks different. And now I'll go ahead and just put some butter on the top, and I let it cool off a bit before I cut it and show you guys. And now for the good part, guys, I will now cut into the cornbread just to show you guys what it looks like. It smells so good. And I know that it is super moist, and it is also delicious. You guys will not regret trying this recipe. And look at that, guys. Look how moist it is. You can see from right here, and it is super soft. Look at that. Amazing. I just could not help myself. I had to dig in there and just take a bite. Look at that, guys. Super, super delicious. Okay, guys, so this is how I make a super soft, moist, and delicious cornbread. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!